Hi, this is Stefan Moss, CMO of Neato Robotics. I'm here today in Chicago at the International Housewares Show 2018, and we're checking out the future of where things are going in the home. What do you see as kind of the world in the kitchen in 2025 for the home?
I think the home's going to become more connected. It's not going to be like, digital displays everywhere. It's not going to be a bunch of black screens. I think it's going to be what we're seeing right now, where technology softened. When you look at a big refrigerator with a TV display on it, I don't see that being the trend. But Google Home being a good example of technology, but with fabric, softness to it.
What we're looking at here is the actual growing device. It's entirely automated, controlled by software services. It's soil-free, very easy to maintain, easy to use. How it works is you insert one of our SIO refills, which is a compostable and entirely comprehensive seed refill. It includes seeds, growing media, and nutrients, everything you need to start growing. You place it in the basin here, add about 2 gallons of water, and you're growing in no time.
What's the future in this category?
I think for us, the way we look at the future is as more people start to grow with this system, we start to transform the food system as a whole. That means we're transitioning people from the end of what I would consider a flawed supply chain to the center of their own food cycle. That means more people are participating in the growing process, cultivating produce to their taste, and therefore sort of reducing dependence on industrial agriculture, which is damaging our environment and producing food that's not quite as flavorful or nutritious as it could be.
So when you look at the future of the home, where do you guys fit in and where do you see the future?
Yeah, in the next 5 to 10 years, we really see the smart home taking off, and we see it all becoming one connected unit. So you'll have your heat, you'll have your air conditioning, you'll have your air purification all together.
What can you tell me about what causes the air quality to be poor in the home?
Sure. So this past year we saw a big rise in people noticing their indoor air quality. The natural disasters, the floods with the mold or the wildfires with the smoke. People are really starting to pay attention to what's actually in their home. And what we found is with our air quality sensors and monitors is that during spring cleaning time, when people have their windows closed and just getting everything up and running and they think they're doing a lot to make their house clean, they're actually using a lot of, I don't say dangerous chemicals, but chemicals with VOCs, which is gases, and not necessarily bad for your lungs. So when you're cleaning everything with Windex or polishing or anything like that, you're actually putting all that stuff into your air. So what we found is that people don't really know that that's going on. And when they actually understand it, they want to breathe the clean air with an air purifier, and they bring that in, and then they start to clean everything else out.
Tell me a little bit about what the problem is that you guys are solving with BoxLock.
Yeah, so we protect deliveries from porch pirates and package thieves. There's about 75 million U.S. single-family homes out there. About 26 million Americans have said they've been victims of package theft, and so we want to make sure those packages are there when they get home. Delivery driver just walks up, uses the integrated barcode scanner, scans the tracking number on the package. The lock connects to the internet, confirms, is that indeed for you, and is it out for delivery? If so, the lock pops open, giving the driver access, takes off the lock, opens the box, puts the package inside, locks it up, and then you get a notification on your phone letting you know that your package is secure.